to set clock, hit timer. To change the hour, this is increment. This is decrement hour. So set 1, move to the next digit, and increment 11, decrement 10, 11, 12. Go to the minutes, hit this arrow key, increment, increment, decrement, decrement minutes. Move to the next digit, increment hour, increment minutes, decrement minutes, decrement minutes. So right now it's 12:11, and to set the date, hit this again, and this is Monday. 1 means Monday phrasing. To change to Tuesday, hit this key, is Tuesday 2, Wednesday, Thursday. If today is Thursday, then you hit timer again. So time is set. Today is Thursday, 12 is the real-time clock. To set scheduling time, hit set. The button display window is flashing. 0 to increment to 1, hit this key. Move to the next digit is 8. You can decrement to 7, decrement to 7, increment to 6, 7. So it's 17 hour, means 5 o'clock p.m. To change to minutes, move to next digit by hitting this arrow key. Hit this key to increment 1, 2. Hit this key to decrement. Then move to the next digit. 0, increment 1, increment 2, and hit this to decrement. So current time is 17:11, or increment to 17:12. If current time is 17:12, then you are set. Move to the date, hit this key. It will move to 4 is flashing, Thursday is flashing. If you want to change to Friday, hit this key. It will move to Friday. And if you decrement, hit this key to decrement to Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, then clock can schedule time, and you want to set the scheduling time, then hit OK. So enter Tuesday, have underscore. So on Tuesday 15:12, the cleaner will start to vacuum. When the schedule time is set, then hit set again. So you see current time is Thursday 12:15. On the top window display 12:15 is the real-time clock, and Thursday is 4 is circle, means Thursday. The button display 17:12 is the cleaning time. 5 o'clock 12, and Tuesday 2 underscore Tuesday, it will do automatically cleaning. Is the scheduling cleaning time.